Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to swipe up, add a link to your IGTV story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application, IGTV, and now we can go all the way to the iPhone. Go to Instagram. Click on Instagram, make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, and then swipe left, go to IGTV. Click on the video for the moment, take a screenshot, go to the photo, crop, done, save to photos, X, go back, go to your home page, swipe to the right, swipe up. We have a photo. Click on this that we screenshotted 10 seconds ago. And now we have on top X, download the link, which is the most important part of this tutorial. Click on this. And now we only have IGTV video. Now, why is that? In order to get the additional link, we need to switch to a business profile and have 10,000 followers. There will be another video on that, how that happens. For this tutorial, click on IGTV video, click on the video on screen, done, call to action has been added, send to your story, done, and now switch accounts very quickly, and then search for computer science videos. Click on the story from your other account, swipe up to see the video, swipe down again, go back to your main account, go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.